I will cook a lot of Filipino food today. Tara, let's start. Pork belly.
I will marinate this and charcoal grill this later. The same with the chicken, marinated and charcoal grilled.
Buhay pa kayo, guys. Oh my gosh. Dahon ng tanglad. Oops. Bye, guys.
This dish requires a lot of work, like cleaning, but it's a very delicious recipe.
Ribs adobo. Oh my God. Wow! Nakakuha rin ng mataba. Yan ang mataba. Leftover Cajun sauce. Pang seafood boil to eh. Pero masarap to, promise. Ng ating mga crab. Tortang talong.
Nilagang talbos ng kamote. After boiling the intestine, I will cut, marinate, and use the barbecue sticks, then charcoal grill it. This is one of my favorite, tinolang halaan.
Malunggay.
Ay, pagkita siya. Dinigam ko.
Hindi ko na nilagay dito kasi baka maamoy.
For you.
This is it, Pansit. Thanks for watching. Bye!